Soon after bitch I yak about Zion roots. Don't know.
Nah. Me sip coconut and smoke Ganja, yeah, man. Me close me eyes and me hear the drum. A ancient call say me time of it come. Me born far away but me spirit know. Mama Africa, me ready to go. Me feeling of the breeze in a sun so bright. You beating on me heart every day and night. Me roots they deep like baobab tree. Me soul set forward and me heart agree. The lion roar inside me mind. It tell me truth, me need to find. In a books, in a dreams, me see the land. Golden soil run through me hand. From Ethiopia to Ghana plain, me tears fall soft like African rain. Me not forget the blood, the pain, but now me chant joy again. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where me spirit roam. Inna the hills under the sun, me know me journey have to be done. With roots and rhythm, me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me see the youth them dancing a red earth clay. Me hear the elders reasoning about Rasta Way. Me sit with me drum, me sing with me soul. The people them vibrant, the culture bowl. Me eat ital from calabash ball. Me feel Jah fire start take control. The chant of freedom echo in breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart at ease. Me nah need the plane, me nah need the road. Jah guide me spirit, me drop the load. Every heartbeat is a step closer still to that sacred mountain, to that holy hill. The ancestors whisper in me ear. You never left, you always here. Africa not just a place on map. It's the rhythm inside every Rasta rap. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where my spirit roam. Inna the hills under the sun, me know me journey happy be done. With roots and rhythm me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me light up chalice under starry dome. Give thanks for the place me call me home. Me sing to the moon, me talk to the tree. Me soul find unity, me finally free. In a market, me hear sweet songs. Drums and chants, we carry me long. Children laugh and elders pray. Africa living a every reggae. So if you hear that call, don't hesitate. Open your heart and walk through the gate. The journey deep but the blessing real. Africa heal what Babylon steal. Zion echoes rise like a flame. From Berlin to Cape Coast we call your name. Back to Mama where all life begin. Rasta anthem rise again within. See ya the one that day. Said we see ya the one that day. Said we no. Ayo, deep inna the barefoot, sweat kaya man. Oh yo. Inna the moonlight, she walks so fine. Natural beauty like she made from vine. Her locks them long, her heart them clean. Me call her empress, she me roots queen. Me sight her dancing to the bassline's flow. Ganja smoke rise like a mystic glow. She say Rasta come, reason with me. Let's burn some herbs and set the mind free. Me pass her the chalice, me heart skip beat. Her voice soft like rhythm in a summer heat. She say she love when the bar drop and consciousness rise, never stop. Sip on coconut under the tree. She talk about Zion and just set we free. Me laugh and say, me dream you long time. She smile is destiny, now we align. Dub for the queen, me chant for love. We float together like wings of dove. In a ital fire, we purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dub for the queen, me empress strong. In a this unity we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, so crystal clear. She cook ital with the earth in mind. Pure vibration in every grind. She say no need for diamond ring, just ganja drum and what life bring. When Babylon try to confuse we head, she hold me hand and chant psalms instead. Me empress no follow no fashion hype. She blaze like truth like a Congo pipe. We chant rhythm deep in her hills. Meditate long till the heartbeat stills. Stars are dance above we head. Love in our bed, truth a get spread. We plant seeds, we grow food. Love with no pride, no attitude. And when rain fall on the zinc rooftop, we still a reason not ever stop. Dub for the queen, me chant for love. We float together like wings of dove. In a ital fire, we purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dub for the queen, me empress strong. In a this unity we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, so crystal clear. We bring her flowers from mountain high. She teach me how to watch the sky. She teach me silence talk more than word. Like how wind whisper just like bird. The empress glow in a natural way.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke ganja, meditate, barefoot, yeah, man. Me rise in the morning with sun in a eye. Herb in a hand, me chant to the sky. Birds are sing like Naya Bingi drum. Me give thanks, say me life just come. Nature surround, me heart feel calm. Me steps in a earth, me soul feel warm. Me nah need gold, me nah need fame. Jah name alone bring the highest flame. Me trod the path where me ancestors trod. Barefoot pon the soil, me reasoning with God. Ital stew bubbling, fire ablaze. Me give thanks for the simplest days. Me dreadlocks long like stories told. Each strand carry spirit, wisdom all. Me nah look back, me nah regret. The future bright, feed the ones who reflect. Rasta Way, we walk with the light. Smoke rise high in a starry night. Meditate deep, feel Jah voice. In a every moment we make a choice to live in love and burn illusion, to free the mind from mental confusion. Rasta Way, it no easy path, but love are the fire and truth are the craft. Me see Babylon light, but me nah get blind. Me see the trap, but me free me mind. Me step out in a hills, away from noise, where silence sing and the heart rejoice. Me chant psalms pon the rock so high. Me soul connect to Jah up in a sky. With me chalice and drum, me reason true. Me talk to the stars like me brethren too. Me light up the pipe with holy herb. Me sing for the trees, me chant every word. Earth a me temple, sky a me dome. Me nah need city, this a me home. Me see the youths them lost in a screen, but me guide them back to the roots and sin. Me tell them pick up the drum, pick up the book. Don't follow hype, don't follow the crook. Rasta way, we walk with delight. Smoke rise high in a starry night. Meditate deep, feel Jah voice. In a every moment we make a choice to live in love and burn illusion, to free the mind from mental confusion. Rasta way, it no easy path, but love are the fire and truth are the craft. Me sip coconut and the moonlight beam. Me vision clean like prophecy dream. No stress in a me vibe, me chant and glide. Jah presence ever stand by me side. Me sit by the river, me heart just float. Me soul a sing like a healing note. Me nah race, me nah chase the game. Me just want people to call Jah name. So if you're lost, come trod this way. Let the smoke rise and the trouble sway. In a each draw find a deeper peace. In a each chant let worry cease. Rasta way, it humble and wise. It teach you to see with the inner eyes. So come along on this mystic flight. Zion echoes blaze up the light.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja music, yeah man. Ay, 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 ay. Me wake with a smile, sun a shine so bright. Me give thanks for life, me soul feel light. Me grab me herb, me chalice ready. Me mind steady, me heartbeat steady. Me step outside, me greet the day. Bird them a sing like them a pray. Me sit pan rock, high on the hill. The world stand still, me spirit feel chill. One draw, one love, one drop of Jah. Me fly so high, me no need no car. Me float pan redeem, me dancing breeze. Me soul release, me heart at ease. The fire blaze, the drum beat roll. Me chant out truth from deep in soul. In a this moment, me feel so free. I tell living Rasta energy. Beside the moonlight shine like gold. Ancestors watching, story told. Me walk through trees, me hear the wind. Me chant a hymn, me cleanse me sin. No watch, no clock, no stress me wear. Me time divine, me path clear. Me and me queen hand in a hand. We build a liberty on sacred land. Me sip me roots, me feel the vibes. No mix me soul with Babylon tribes. Me rather live slow, live real. Feel Jah presence in a every meal. One draw, one love, one drop of Jah. Me burn me herbs under shining star. Meditation deep, me third eye wide. Me feel Jah guide from deep inside. No war, no gun, just peace and drum. Me sing me song till Zion come. Me not beg fame, me not chase gold. Me story sacred, pure and bold. Nightfall come, me light the fire. Story flow like ancient choir. Me brethren gather, we share the plant. Me youth them laugh, me empress chant. We reason truth, both life and time. We sip some tea, we sip some wine. Me play me guitar, me chant a line. Rasta way, away divine. Me not judge no man fi impact, long as him walk with righteous heart. Me welcome all in a me zone. Love and ganja build me throne. Under stars, me close me eyes. Me feel Jah move across the skies. No church, no wall, just air and tree. That's where me meet divinity. So light up high and let it roll. The herb a key, the music soul.
Come sit with I, let ganja flow. Listen to drum, to wine, to fire. Let roots music lift your higher. Zion echoes in every sound, from mountain top to underground. Me message simple, me message pure. Jah love forever endure.
Ay, 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 ay. Rastaman, perdit ya man. Yeah. Sunrise a touch me skin like jahs. Birds them a chant in a morning bliss. Me step barefoot on the cool wet ground. Earth talk to me, sweet is the sound. Me roll up herb, Italian on me pot. No riches me want, me already got. Peace in a me soul and the truth in me speech. Higher heights me seek, me not preach. Jah guide me, rise up Rasta higher heights today. Burn the chalice, chant and pray. Music and ganja guide me soul. Me journey long, but me heart still old. Guide me, me nah need crown or Babylon gold. Me treasures deep, me spirit bold. From valley low to mountain steep, Jah carry me through water deep. Guide me. Jah guide me. Inna hills me dwell, far from noise. Me hear me thoughts, me feel me joys. Bird fly free, trees sway so light. Nightfall come, stars bless me sight. Me chant with drum and sip me tea. Jah presence rap me endlessly. Me nah rush, me pace is wise. Me soul expand, me spirit rise. One draw, two draw, me float away. Me mind makes space for the light today. No fear, no hate, no war me keep. Just melody and breath so deep. Me and me brethren sit and reason. Seasons change but vibes stay even. Me empress laugh, me youth them dance. Rasta way I give life a chance. Drop I.E. rise up Rasta higher heights me say. Smoke and chant the night away. Me nah follow, me create me path. Through the fire, me find Jah's wrath. But even so love rule me mind. Me no leave no soul behind. We walk together, tribe and fire. To Zion gates, we climb higher. Dub wise echo inna the valley. Me beat me drum like sweet tamale. Me spirit dance, me ancestors near. Me feel them whisper inna me ear. Keep treading youth, don't lose sight. Your fire burn bright in Jah light. So me chant louder, smoke rise high. Blessed is the I and I. So if you feel lost in a world so loud, find the silence in the ganja cloud. Listen to drum, listen to wine. Rasta journey come from within. Me nah need Babylon's validation. Me meditate on Jah vibration. And when me pass from this creation, me spirit fly to Zion nation. Ay, 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 ay. Down by the riverside, with the ganja glow, yeah man. Me rise with sun, breeze cool and clean. Birds a sing in lush green scene. Me sit on rock, urban and meditation take me to promised land. No stress, no phone, just Rasta vibe. Me reason with wind, me soul feel alive. Me empress hums a healing song, and in the peace me know me belong. Roots man meditate in a delight. Ganja blaze and heart feel right. No worry now, no Babylon. Babylon fear. Jah presence strong, Jah spirit near. Smoke rise high, thought drift low. Me hold the fire, me let love grow. Roots man walk in humble peace, and with each chant the weight release. Me cook ital stew pan open flame. Pumpkin callaloo, Jah bless the name. Me youth them run, them laugh and play. We give thanks each and every day. No microwave, no poison meal. Me food and herb, me holy seal. We sip tea made from ganja leaf. Me find in nature sweet relief. Night come down, me light a stick. Me roll a spliff and burn it quick. Stars above, me sit and chant. Me speak to Jah, me soul a plant. Me vision clear, me mind at ease. Me heart beat strong with every breeze. Them can't program this kind of love. It burning high from up above. River run cool, me bathe and pray. Me wash me doubts and drift away. A little youth say Rasta, why you smile? Me say me live truth and walk Jah mile. We reason deep and share a flame. No titles, no game, we want the same. Me say smoke is key, but mind is gate. Balance your heart, elevate. Roots, man, chant and herb a burn. Each puff a lesson, each breath me learn. Me carry Jah light through every day, and hold me ground when skies turn grey. Me nah seek gold, me seek divine. Me path is roots, me soul align. Roots man walk with humble pride, cause Jah ever there by me side. So if you're lost or feel confused, take off the shoes and walk with truth. Roll your spliff and close your eyes. Let Jah reveal what Babylon hide. From mountain top to yard below, Zion echoes, I make it flow. Roots man meditation, pure and deep. Feed the soul way wake and not sleep. Kingston, skunking on the paper. Me wake up with the sun in my face. Birds chant him in a sacred place. Me stretch me arms to the ancient breeze. Me barefoot step on the earth with ease. No concrete, no plastic scene, just green hills and water clean. Me no need no app to feel alive. Jah vibration make me thrive. Me nah rush, me nah compete. Me rhythm slow but solid like drum beat. Me heart in tune with the whispering leaf. The silence louder than modern grief. Roots run deep where the soul can grow. Far from Babylon and the digital flow. Me plan me dreams in a Zion style. Me reap peace, me nah spoil. Roots run deep under full moonlight. Guide me path through darkest night. No man can sell what Jah provide. Me walk with truth as me ride. Me see the youth them lost in a screen, but real life more vivid than any meme. Me teach them love, me teach them chant. Me show them how the Naya bingy plant. We not followers of trend and hype. We blaze wisdom, we hold the pipe. Meditation under tree of age. Me spirit dance like lion in cage. Them say Rasta just a look or song, but Rasta is life ancient and strong. Me nah need label fi live this code. Me carry peace like Jah mode. And one split fi the healing, and one beat for the soul. So one love for the children, one fire for the goal. Me nah bend for silver, nah sell me name. Me rather stay grounded in humble fame. From the root to the fruit, me story grow. Me carry the fire wherever me go. Roots run deep in a sacred ground. Me listen to earth, me love the sound. Me not stray from Jah design. Me path align like the stars align. Roots run deep in a heartbeat song. Me walk with the elders all along. Each step me take a reverent show to the source that make the spirit glow. Me no chase illusion, me hold vibration. Me chant down fear, me build foundation. System a shake but me tree stand still, because roots anchor deep in will. Them try distract with glitter screen, but Jah light brighter than any machine. Me turn me back pan vanity's mask. Me find me joy in a simple task. Plant the food, cook the steam. Reason in circle, share me dream. Rasta not compete in a world so fake. We bake our bread, we not take snake. So if you feel lost in a modern maze, take off your shoes, walk nature ways. Me promise you this, me swear it's true. The roots of life will carry you through.
With Rasta. Oh, yeah, man. Circle the virgin fire ablaze. Drum them a beat, night full of praise. Under the stars we hold it tight. One drum make the spirit light. Me said it no matter where you from, Africa, Europe or Vietnam. One draw link with me tell you true. In this moment me feel brand new. When I talk about stress or pain, just reading Ganja and Jared. Me pass the chalice, you pass the smile. In the circle, life makes sense a while. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. Yes, we bless the night till morning light. Smoke rise like prayer to sky, and me feel just spirit nearby. Me sister laugh, me brother sing. It's a real life roots man reasoning. You don't need millions or gold chain. We riches come from healing pain. We not boast, we share what we grow. Inna the ground, the truth still flow. One rhythm, one spliff, one vibe. We dance away, Babylon tribe. Me no need no throne or fame. One draw connect, we all the same. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. One time for the youth, them last. Two time for love that pay no cost. Three time for the roots man wait. Four time for live another day. Me not live for hype, not show. Me live for the people, the trees we grow. Every draw is a gift from Jah, so we praise for the herbs, the star. One draw, one love, bless the nation. Reggae music, herb meditation. Unity at the highest grade. Come together, no man afraid. One draw, one chant, one reason deep. No secrets, no lies we keep. Me mother said, child live clean and true. Me father said, praise Jah in all you do. Me elder said, smoke with respect. So me light up the herb with full intellect. Me not abuse, me use fi heal, fi balance heart and make me feel. Me sip me roots tonic, me dance and sing. One Jah at the gateway for everything. So come be your friend, me open the gates. No time for hate, no time for wait. The fire blaze, the rhythm roll, and ganja unite the broken soul. Under moonlight we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it shine. This roots man love are truly divine. One draw, one love, we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it.
Aye, 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 the false Babylon. System lying to us. Break the false system, yeah, man. Me rise up with the sun on me face. Birds, them a sing. Me heart full of grace. Me stretch out me arms to the sky. Give thanks for life and the most high. Me boil me water, me herbs are steep. Sipping wisdom while the world still sleep. Vital food pan me plate real clean. No chemicals, me keep it green. Me roll me spliff with mindful hand. Is not for escape but overstand. Every leaf I get from the earth. Use with love, it me feel I worth. Urban harmony guide me soul in a natural liberty. Me feel whole, no stress, no worry. Me chant all day with drum and fire. Me clear me way. Urban harmony one with the land. Roots and rhythm in a Jahan. Me no rush, me move with flow. Like the breeze through mountain and meadow. Me life no governed by the clock. Me listen to the silence when me walk. Me see the children laugh and play. Them nah no stress from Babylon way. Me protect them with knowledge and love. Guide them like star from above. Me sit in a circle, elders nearby. Them tell stories of struggle and why. And still them smile, them wisdom shine. Me give thanks for each sacred sign. Balance is the key, me say again. Not too much pleasure, not too much pain. Herb a teacher, not a tie. For awakened soul, not just for joy. Me burn it slow, with chant and beat. Barefoot on the sand, no concrete. Every draw come with reflection. Me build up high in a connection. Urban harmony, sing the tune. Under the sun or the silver moon. Meditation are the guide me know. Like river run, the spirit flow. Urban harmony, it make me high. But still me grounded like mountain high. Me see Babylon rush with speed. But them forget about what we need. Not more screens or fake sensation. We need more groundation, meditation. Me nah hate, me just elevate. Me show a better way, me nah debate. True music and herbs me teach. A positive life, me always preach. Me sing for the farmer, growing greens. Me chant for the youth, them inner dreams. Me light for the elder, holding firm. Oh, nah, nah, it's ganja time. Me wake up on hills of Jamaica. Sunrise blaze like a holy fire. Me wash me face in streams so clean. Ital breakfast, herbs so green. Little breeze whisper ancient song. Me heart beat steady, strong and long. No need for alarm, me spirit rise. Me soul fly high on Jah sunrise. Me empress chant beside the flame. She call me by me sacred name. Rise up Rasta, the journey call. We chant Babylon till it crumble and fall. It's a the Rasta journey, walking light.
from yard to Zion, out tonight. Blaze up herbs, lift up your mind. Rastaman seek truth, not blind. We nah go bow, we nah go fake. Me soul stay firm, me heart nah break. This life a mission, full of fire. One love, one aim, one heart, one higher. Me leave the hills, reach town so loud. People run round in a digital cloud. Them plug in deep, them can't hear Jah. Them chase vanity, me say nah. System set trap in every lane. By this weird that still feel pain. Me walk through the streets in a robe so clean. The people stare like them never seen. Them say, who is this man with staff and dread? Me say, Rasta from Zion, me never dead. Me carry message them don't teach in school. Love and herbs that me only rule. Me reach a corner, roll a spliff. Lift me thoughts, make spirit drift. Me close me eyes, me overstand. Me nah need no crown fi rule me land. Ganja heal me like Jah kiss. Inna the smoke, me find me bliss. Me reason with ancients through the mist. Them whisper Rasta, you were always this. Me return to the roots, to the hills me go. Me plant pumpkin, callaloo, mango. Me cook ital stew pan fire made. No salt, no flesh, me energy stayed. Me empress sing while pepper grind. She dance with breeze so sweet, so kind. The drum play rhythm from me soul. Every heartbeat, the mission all. Me youth them grow with conscious vibe. Them read, them chant, them overdrive. No tick-tock, no mindless show. Just ancient truth and love fi grow. This a the Rasta journey, not no race. Every step, me feel Jah grace. Smoke rise high in a sacred night. Me see me path in Ganja light. We nah go stray, we keep it firm. Me learn from fire, me live and learn. Ital food and a righteous song. Me walk in Jah, me walk strong. So now me voice reach distant land. From Berlin streets to desert sand. Me sing for people lost in dark. Me bring them flame, me light the spark. If you feel the vibe, then share the word. Rasta speak through every verse. Earth Zion echoes. We not play weak, we chant down lies, we rise and speak. Nah, nah, nah. Ganja is just medicine. Yeah. Sun arise on the mountain crest. Birds a sing, Jah time fi rest. Me sit on stone, chalice in hand. Inhale the breath of Zion land. Me not check me phone, me check me soul. Each puff of herb make me feel whole. Me give thanks for life, for food, for ear. Me reason with Jah in silent prayer. The dew on grass reflect Jah light. Me close me eyes, everything feel right. No worry, no war, no system scheme. Just roots man in a the sacred dream. Roots man meditation in a the hills. Ganja smoke and peaceful thrills. No nice, no hype, just inner truth. Chanting down Babylon from me youth. Me heart a drum, me soul a flame. Every drop call Jah name. Roots man live slow, live wise. Reasoning under African skies. Me reason with Jah through leaf and breeze. Through bamboo talk and dancing trees. Me say Jah oh fi guide me feet. Just say move with love, your path complete. No preacher, no pope, just earth and sound. Me find the message where truth is found. Ganja open me third eye door. Me sight things me never see before. Me see people chasing a roots man code. It a the map, feel life road. Nah need gold nor vanity. Jah give we peace and clarity. Roots man meditation deep and slow. Fire inside but calm like flow. We not rage, we overstand. We trod this earth with gentle hand. One spliff, one chant, one rhythm line. And roots man feel the grand design. Inna me mind, inna me space. Me meet Jah Jah face to face. Me hear the voice of ancient king. Him say youth listen to everything. Nature speak if you're quiet still. Ganja guide you with holy will. Me sip me bush tea, me hum me song. Me life feel rich, me heart feel strong. No rush, no race, me nah compete. Me walk Jah pace, me nah repeat. This life no bout likes or fame. It's bout fire inna your flame. So me share me herbs, me share me light. One love, one aim, one righteous fight. So when the morning light touch your face, find a quiet little sacred place. Light the chalice, give thanks and praise. For another chance, for brighter days. Na ganja and sweat kaya man. Me rise up in the morning breeze. No alarm, just birds in trees. Sunlight kiss the Rasta face. Another day fi overstand the pace. Me stretch me limbs, me mind a clear. Me give Jah thanks fi still be here. A little herb, a little tea, balance me soul and energy. A meditation heals me, find me way. Me blaze and reason till night turn day. Me no chase the world, me just obey the voice of Jah. Me no go stray. Smoke rise high, me spirit glide. No stress, no war, no pride. Just peace inside and love outside. Me on this ride, Jah be me guide. Me no run down dollar, me run down roots. I eat all food cooking in bamboo shoots. Me reason deep with me sister in them. Talk about life on the heights of men. Me drum sound echo in a me chest. Every beat bring me soul to rest. Me know say Babylon still watch, but me stay firm like lion patch. Blaze for clarity, not just escape. Our herbs for healing, shape me fate. Love me weapon, peace me get. Me live simply, me live great. Now meditation heals me soul, me zone. With every breath, me come back home. No vanity, no mobile phone, just green trees and sacred tone. Smoke curl up like angel wing. Me chant for love, me chant and sing. Me see life in every living thing and give thanks for the vibes it bring. River run like redeem deep. Me bathe me skin, me soul me keep. Me sit on rock and close me eyes and reason with the butterflies. Me no care about who wear crown. Me care about joy, not status gown. The mountain teach what book can say. So me listen, learn and pray each day. Me trod slow, but me trod is strong. Even when life feel too long, me burn out doubt, me blaze up faith. Me never early, me never late. Rasta way and a trend of truth. A link to roots, an ancient youth. A levity beyond material thing, where every breath a holy swing. A meditation heals me soul rejoice. Me hear the drum, me hear Jah voice. No confusion, me have me choice. Feel live free and chant me voice. Smoke rise up in sacred style. Me and the most I reason a while. From hillside prayer to city mile. Me carry peace and Rasta smile. Yeah man, Rastaman is I, man. Sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress, inna me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain. Heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes, one draw. And me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or high state. One draw, and the spirit align. Herb teach truth, deep inna me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze, me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never see. Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of thief. Me garden full, me vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the riverside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern. Me no chase sight, me live for light. Me rest when moon come rise, when bright the herb me guide. The chant me shield, me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth when last I'm blind. Me blaze for the stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity, call one flame, one love rise over all. One draw and me flow through time. Me see the system and me skip the crime. One draw and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw and me no go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find Jah way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy right. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rastaman must walk in light. Even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb fi open the path and take each moment like sacred bath. It's not stars blaze and vibes me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is fi heal, not fi waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie. Cause me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. One draw and me find me way. Me roots deep down where the ancients stay. Open your mind. Aye aye. Yeah man. The white Kasiakwaska. Early morning barefoot pon the land. Me feel the dew cool in me hand. No nice, just leaves a whisper soft. Jah presence high, me spirit lift off. Me smoke a spliff, fi bless the way. Me mind get clear, me heart obey. Me no need no gold nor diamond ring. Just the breeze and birds that sing. Roots in the wind, me soul fly free. Rasta live slow, live consciously. From the hills to the sea, we chant unity. Blaze one down for tranquility. Roots in the wind, me I see truth. Balance the life from me early youth. Me trod with peace, me hold no grudge. Me spirit float like incense smudge. Me eat title, me soul stay clean. No poisoning on me daily routine. Me cook with herbs, me drink me tea. Me body temple for the most IG. Me no live fast like modern race. Me take me time and overstand grace. Me plant me food, me bless me ground. Every little thing got sacred sound. Rowena whisper, stay humble, Rasta. Fire say keep the flame feature. Let it flow, me brethren. High earth remind, everything return again. Roots in the wind, me soul fly high. Smoke arise in a blue-green sky. Meditation take me far from stress. Me live in love, me chant for bless. Roots in the wind, me nah lose way. Me hold your word like light each day. Me feel the beat in every tree. The heart of Rasta, wild and free. Me sweep me yard, me wash me bowl. Me give thanks in a every role. Me no complain about what me lack. Me trust the path, me no look back. Me reason deep with me brethren crew. Talk about the stars and sky so blue. We light one up, fi overstand. How we connect from Jah own hand. Me no need no big church wall. Me temple is the river call. Me chant me psalms in breeze and flame. Me heart align with Jah true name. Me dance on earth, me sing with tree. Me find myself in simplicity. No social scroll, no media lie. Just mountain high and open sky. Roots in the wind, me journey long. But every step me move with song. No stress can hold me down again. Me ride the rhythm of sun and rain. Roots in the wind, and me give thanks for the love, for the life, for the herbal plants. Me keep it real in a Babylon spin. Still me grow strong from roots within. Light one more, I'll cure me spirit soul. Right life a flow, Rasta no. Na 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 na, Rastaman, grind the kaya ya man. Na 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 na, Rastaman, grind the kaya ya man. Sound system turn up, speaker them a blaze. Me step in a dance in a righteous face. Me chalice full, me soul a burn. Me dip on fire, now it's Jah turn. Drum and bass beat like art in a chest. Every rhythm drop, bring out your best. Me na flex like star, me flex like truth. Me there for the elder, me there for youth. Give me one rhythm and me ride it clean. Me chant so heavy like steam from green. No gun talk, no Babylon slang. Me lyrics are ill like Naya Bingy Bang. Me chant in a corner with me herbs so proud. Me meditate even in a the crowd. Select a wheel up, bassline drop. Me feel it in a spine when the snare go pop. Light it up, feed the people in a struggle. Light it up, let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate. Roots man vibes, we celebrate. Light it up, all tribes unite. In a dance hall, we shine so bright. From trench town to the mountain top, we burn bad mind and we not go stop. Me see dreadlocks, gyal a wine with grace. She move to the rhythm like she know the place. Me heal her up with respect and joy. Me say one love, no time for toy. Me see big man, small man, all man in a line. All blaze up chalice, all feeling fine. This a root session, no time for war. This a love in a rhythm like a Rasta star. Me roll one big with me brethren crew. Me pass it round like wisdom true. We reason about life, we reason about peace. We know say Babylon time must cease. Me there in a dance, but me spirit fly to Zion plains where the lions lie. One draw, two draw, me eyes them close, but me vision clear like a red rose. Light it up, feed the people in a struggle. Light it up, let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate. Rootsman vibes, we celebrate. Light it up, all tribes unite. In a dance hall, we shine so bright. From trench town to the mountain top, we burn bad mind and we not go stop. No need fi bling, me blaze the herbs. Me speak truth, me not twist words. Me stand up tall like King Selassie. Me spread the vibe like Ital recipe. From Addis Ababa to Spanish town, the drum and truth can never drown. Every lyric me spit, a pure uplift. Me music a message, a divine gift. So if you feel low, come to the sound. Let roots and rhythm turn life around. We not deal in fear, we chant with fire and light up life like electric wire. So gather round, bring the peace pipe too. Let's burn the worries and start brand new. One rhythm, one love, one family. Zion echoes are the real energy.
Yeah, Zion, lion in a jungle. Me wake up to the sound of breeze. Birds are sing and me heart at ease. She beside me, wrapped in sheet. Sunlight kiss her skin so sweet. Me roll a spliff, me give her off. We laugh and float in herbal pot. No stress, no fight, just pure line. Me feel your love in she and time. Herbs and harmony guide we flow. In this life we move real slow. Ganja burn, mind get free. One heart, one soul, you and me. Herbs and harmony deep like sea. Roots connection eternally. Every draw a sacred breath. We live in love, we not fear death. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me find joy in natural fusion. Me queen dance with breeze and fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. She plant the herbs, me sing the song. Together we build where we belong. Coconut juice, hammock swing. Bird them chant and love them bring. Under moonlight me see her glow. She move like river, pure and slow. Incense burn, meditation start. She read me so like sacred art. No judge, no mask, no pretense. Just honest vibes in her presence. When world get loud, she call me mine. With one soft word me realign. Herbs and harmony, sweet and true. Jah provide the love in you. Me nah need no gold, no fame. Me call her love, but her soul got name. Herbs and harmony, balance light. We hold each other through the night. Storm may come, system may test, but we hold firm and still feel blessed. Me reason with me queen both life. She say me nah born just fi be wife. Me warrior too, me spirit free. Me hold the earth in a me tree. She teach me how fi blend the root, how every plant and word is truth. She dance round fire, I so wise. Me see the universe in she eyes. So light the chalice, hold me hand. We walk together on sacred land. No rush, no race, just this one song. With herbs and harmony we belong. Me whisper thanks to Jah above. For one like she and endless love. We not just live, we elevate. Through herbs and harmony, we levitate. Na 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 ganja, eating Rasta soul, yeah man. In a silence, me walk alone. Me spirit steady like carved in stone. Dub echo lead me way. Me not stray, me chant all day. Smoke rise from me chalice bowl. Eternal fire purify me soul. No need for sword, me carry sound. Me fight them system underground. Me nah wear no crown or chain. Me wear vibration fi heal the pain. Every bassline like river flow, and every word plant seed fi grow. I'm a dub spirit warrior marching with the bass, drum and chant. Me footstep grace, no blood, no war. Just love me bring, meditation deep. Me soul I sing. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and true. Riding rhythm like winds that blew. Me herbs, me sound, me livity. This roots man journey, I set I free. Me wake up early, sunrise light. Give thanks for the breath, the gift of sight. Me sip ital tea, me chant and pray. Me meditate and clear me way. Me not get trapped in Babylon scroll. Me heart connect to higher goal. Each draw a reminder, each beat a flame. Each note a whisper of Jah name. Sound system is me temple now, where warriors gather and take a vow to fight with love, to chant with peace, and make the chains of hate release. Floating in a echo chamber, dub delay like thunder rum. Me spirit high, me mind stay on. Me thoughts in rhythm, never stumble. See up, sir. Me nah run for fame or gold. Me run for the truth, fi never get sold. Jah love is the key and code, so me chant in a ancient mode. I'm a dub spirit warrior, barefoot on the ground. Sage smoke rise with healing sound. No ego, no chains, me walk in grace. I hold the drum like sacred space. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and wise. Smoke in me lungs, stars in me eyes. One drop beat and a lion roar. Me chant till them Babylon walls no more. Me ancestors whisper in the breeze. Me feel them walk through sacred trees. Every heartbeat sing to drum. Me know exactly where me from. Roots man step, no fear, no stress. Me spirit armored in righteousness. Rhythm is me sword, dub is me shield. And inna the dance, me battlefield. Me don't need fame or chat or crown. Me need a spliff and a bassline sound. Me need connection, soul to soul. And reggae music fi keep I whole. Light it, pass it, feel it flow. Inna the dub rim, time moves slow. Jah whisper through the snare and bass, and me walk steady in holy place. Yeah, man kaya in a Rastaman lungs, yeah man. Me rise with the sun pan a mountain top. No phone, no clock, just me and just crap. Birds a sing, breeze a whisper me name. Peace na the heart, loving na the flame. Me light up the chalice, give thanks for the day. Every puff of prayer, me troubles fade away. Me no need no riches, me no chase no gold. Me spirit stay young, though me body grow old. Hillside reasoning, Under the sky so wide, me reason with me brethren, no ego, no pride. Herb in a hand and wisdom in speech. We reach higher heights where Babylon can reach. Hillside reasoning, natural like belief. We burn down lies and chant out grief. In the hills we find truth so pure. With each draw we open the door. Me cook a ital stew with me coconut cream. Me nah eat meat, me nah live fi dream. Me live fi now, fi present, fi breath. Fi each moment me give thanks till death. Me dreadlock long, it tell me tale. A fire me walk through and storm and hail. Still me hold strong like ancient tree. Roots deep in Zion, me spirit stay free. Me chant Rastafari with every breath. Me praise the Most High, me nah fear death. Me temple clean, me conscience bright. Me live with truth, me sleep with light. Them can't fool I with politics and fame. Me can't be bought, me no play them game. Me seek the stillness where silence reign, and draw the herb to ease me brain. Hillside reasoning beneath the starry sky, where jazz voice echo and angels fly. Hillside reasoning, roots man know what Babylon hide. Rastaman show. Me take a walk down through the forest trail. Me meet a wise elder with skin so pale. She says, son, keep walking the narrow way. Jah light will guide you night and day. Me carry our words like stone in pack. Every time me slip, it guide me back. Me no stray far, me mind stay sharp. Even when the world get cold and dark. Me burn one spliff for the last and poor. For the youth them crying behind closed door. Me sing for love, me sing for hope. Me words like fire, me music like rope. Fi pull up souls from Babylon floor. Fi knock on hearts, fi open Jah door. Me no preach hate, me no say war. Me say peace and unity near and far. Hillside reason, from roots to sky. We chant them truths, them can't deny. Hillside reasoning, natural and free. Inna the hills me find the real me.